If we divide 685 by 5 in long division method, 5 times 1 is 5. On subtracting, we get 1. So now we put down this 8 and it is 18. 5 times 3 is 15. On subtracting, we get 3. So again we put down this 5 and it is 35. 5 times 7 is 35. On subtracting, we get 0. So 685 divided by 5 is 137. So this much for today and thanks for watching.